how to build a huge email list fast. In this video I'm going to show you the ways that you can build a huge email list and do it super fast, and we're starting right now. Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is J.R. Fisher. I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars worth of both physical and digital products. Now, before we get started, I want you to join the family. I want you to join the Fisher family. Click that button down there, the subscribe button, and when you do, you've joined the family. You'll be part of the family. And don't forget, there's a bell notification right next to it. There's this little bell, and you got to click it, because if you click it, it's going to pop open and it's going to say all notifications. You need to check all notifications. When you do that, every time I do a new video, you'll be notified and you won't miss a thing. Also, I'm going to give you a bonus at the end of this video. There's a free e-commerce course worth $97. You can have it absolutely free, and I'm also going to throw in a email marketing course, and that's going to be absolutely free too, and I'll show you how to get it at the very end. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now if you're watching this video, obviously you want to build an email list, and you're smart, because building an email list will allow you to build a group of people that are interested in your products and all the related products that you sell too. So it'll help you build your income. Now maybe you're just getting started, you don't have a list, or maybe you want to build your list to really large numbers. Well, you're in the right place, because that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. When I got started, I started exactly like you. I had 0 people on my list, and everybody starts in the same place. You've got to realize nobody starts with a list. Everybody starts at 0. Now we all kind of have stars in our eyes that we're gonna have millions of people on our list and all that. You don't need that many people on your list to do really well. What you really need is people who are really passionate on your list. I'd much rather have a list of 10,000 people that are super passionate and want to buy my products than a list of 1 million people who don't even care to open my emails. Now email lists are just so important nowadays, and companies that are not adopting email marketing, they're probably going to die by the list. There's a saying that you can live or die by the list, and nothing could be more true nowadays. With technology, people expect to get emails, they expect to get email marketing, and if you don't have that set up in your business and you don't have additional products you can sell them in your business, you're going to fall behind, because everybody else is doing it. So it's super important that you learn these techniques to help you grow your business. Now when email first started out, we were so worried about what our username was instead of actually marketing to people. So marketing to people is the most important thing you can do now. If you don't have this system set up, if you don't have these automations set up, then it's going to cost you a lot of time and probably cost you a lot of money. So you want to make sure you do that. It seems today that we're all about social media and, you know, doing posts on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook and all that, but the fact remains is the basis of your business is always going to be email marketing. That's how we can reach the people out there. That's how we can send emails and get money back the same day. I love that. When I send out an email in the morning and by the afternoon I've made thousands of dollars. I mean, that's a great feeling to be able to do that, but I can't do that if I haven't built a list of passionate people that are accustomed to getting emails from me and then get value from me on an ongoing basis too. Now according to Adobe, for every $1 that is spent on email marketing, the return is $40. I want you to take a look at this chart right here. For every dollar you spend on email, you're going to get back about $40. On catalogs, $7.30. On SEO, $22.24. On internet display advertising, $19.72. On mobile, $10.51. On keyword ads, $17. And on banner ads, only $2. So as you can see, email marketing definitely is the way to go. Now despite the fact that there's such a great return, let's face it, the majority of your emails are going to go unread, or they're going to end up in a spam folder. So it is super important that we constantly build this list and replenish the list so that we can get a return on it. Now for years, email has outperformed every other thing we can do online, and people like Neil Patel will tell you that he agrees that email is probably the single most important thing he does to generate a huge income. Now unlike purchasing advertising or doing SEO, anything like that, you don't really have full control. You know, if you're doing SEO, you kind of hope it works and you kind of hope people show up and you kind of hope they buy. If you're buying advertising, it's kind of the same way. But if you're doing email marketing, it's your only way to really directly communicate with your customer, and that way you can actually give them content that is valuable and also sell them your products and make a return on your dollar. With email marketing, you don't have to worry about Google or Facebook suddenly changing their algorithms and people not seeing your stuff, because once somebody is on your email list, you can actually send them a direct message, and that's pretty cool. Now if you lost your Facebook account tomorrow, or they changed the algorithm, all your business could be gone if that's what you depended on. But with email marketing, you still have that list. You actually own that list of people that nobody else can take away from you, like your search engine results or your Facebook reach or anything like that. They just can't take it away, because you actually have those people as an asset within your business. So let's talk about the different ways that we can build our email list. Number one way to build your list is through lead magnets. Now what is a lead magnet? Well, basically it's something to attract people to your list. So you're going to be offering some type of value, and I'll get into in just a second what you can offer, but you're going to be offering something of some kind of value that somebody's going to give you value. The value of what they give you is their email and their name. So once you have their email and name, then you can market to them, but you're going to give them something of value up front, and this is normally a free item that you're going to give them. Number two way to get people on your list is to offer ebooks. Ebooks are great. Ebooks are something that people can consume quickly, and you can do them on many different subjects. You don't want to just have one ebook, you can do multiple ebooks. And the cool thing with ebooks, and you say, well, I don't want to write, I can't write, you can go to places like Upwork or Textbroker, and you can have somebody else write your ebooks. All you have to do is come up with some subjects, and people are more than willing to go ahead and write your ebooks for you. Now the way they receive your ebook obviously is they opt in, and once they opt in, you have their name and email, and you can market to them. Number three way to build your email list is through webinars. People love online training. It's growing leaps and bounds, and all they do is they opt in with their email and name, and then they can attend your webinar, and they're going to get on your list. Now normally on a webinar, at the end you're going to make some offer to them, so you have a twofold benefit right there. You're going to get people on your list that you can market to later on, and on the webinar itself you can actually sell to these people whatever products you have, whether it be physical or digital products. Number four is giveaways. Giveaways are great. We've done them in the past. We've done them for survival food. As a matter of fact, we use a software called Contest Domination, and the cool thing about that is when somebody enters, if they send that contest to some of their friends, they actually get more entry points if some of those people also enter. So that's a pretty cool thing. And we know also that if somebody is trying to win a freeze-dried bucket of food, they're super interested in survival food, because that's not the average person. So these are really targeted people, and we can market to them later on too. The next thing I will tell you, number five, is a free training course. Now a free training course is awesome, and that's what I'm going to give you at the end of this video. You can get a course on e-commerce. It's a $97 course. I give it to you for free. You can get a course on email marketing, which is what this video is about. I would definitely grab that course, and you can grab that course for free too. So those are a couple ways that we do that. Number six would be to use affiliate offers. Now an affiliate offer is something that you would sell somebody, but you're selling them somebody else's product. So what we do with affiliate offers is we build what's called a bridge page between the actual offer and the customer. So that customer will see whatever the offer is, come to our page, opt in, and when they opt in, we get them on our list, then we send them to the affiliate offer. In that way we can actually make money on the offer, and we can also build our list too. If you send them directly to the affiliate offer, they may or may not buy, and if they buy, you don't have their email and you really haven't built your list. So make sure you do that bridge page. I have another video on that subject in this channel, and all you have to do is search for affiliate, and you'll find that particular video, and you can watch how to build that bridge page too. The next way is YouTube videos, and you're watching one right now. So right now you're consuming content on how to build an email list, and in doing so you may want to get some more information, and in the description below I'm going to give you a free course. All you have to do is opt in. So I build my list that way too, by giving you guys free information online. If you like what you see, you can get more of it, and maybe a portion of you guys will buy something from me, but if you don't, that's okay too. Just take the free information. Number 8 is Facebook post, and Facebook post I actually put number 8 because I think it's at the lowest end of what you can do. Now it used to be on Facebook, when you did a post, so many people saw it, you had so much reach, and you got tons of interaction. But nowadays Facebook is so ad concentrated that that's what they want in there. They know every time they put one of your posts in the feed, that takes up a spot, they can put an ad, so your organic reach isn't going to be as good. However, it is still there, and it's still an opportunity for you. So when you do a post on Facebook, make sure you put a link in there where somebody can get some type of free item and opt in to get it. That's another great way to help you build your list. Okay, so now we know a bunch of things we can do to get people onto our list, but how do we capture them out there? How do we cast that line and get all those people? One of the best ways of doing this, and I hated this in the beginning, I gotta tell you, I hated this, and I resisted it because it wasn't something I enjoyed, but darn if it didn't work, and that's pop-ups. Having a pop-up on your website that is popping up when they get to the website or a few seconds after they hit the website, that offers them, you know, 10 steps to lose 10 pounds in 14 days, opt in here, give me your email and name. Those things work. They just plain work, and they do help you build your email list. So I would highly suggest that you have a pop-up on your site or on some of your pages. Now be careful, because some ads that you run on Facebook don't allow pop-ups, and if you have a pop-up on that page, they're going to disallow the ad. They could cancel your account too, so make sure you don't do that when you're doing Facebook ads. Okay, so let's talk about that pop-up thing for 1 second. In general, pop-up ads have a 2% higher conversion rate than just about anything you can do out there. That's according to Entrepreneur Magazine. They had a 162% increase in sales and 86% increase in signups when you had a pop-up on your website. Go figure. And I didn't even like them in the beginning. We found that our subscriptions just exploded once we put pop-ups on our site, and there's a couple reasons for this, and it's because of how the human brain works. Now literally we have a shorter attention span than that of a goldfish. That's pretty bad, right? That's the average American. And we easily get overwhelmed because we see so many pieces of information and ads and things going on in social media on a daily basis. So when we see a pop-up, you kind of kill two birds with one stone, because you're providing a simple choice for them, opt in and grab this information, and you're also cutting through all the red tape, and they can just get the information they want. They don't have to go searching for it. Now presumably you've been hit by a lot of ads, and I know you've seen the kind of pop-up where you go to leave a page, and right before you leave a page it may say, wait, grab our free report or whatever, or wait, grab this coupon. What's funny is when that happens, about 50% of the people will just go ahead and exit the page, but another 50% will actually opt in when you have that on your page. So that works really, really well. Now one of the biggest reasons we're able to increase our email list is through a software as a service called Kartra. Kartra is freaking amazing. Kartra has like 8 different programs built into one, and they cost less than anything in the market. Now I'm going to put a link in the description below. You've got to check it out. There's no credit card opt-in or anything like that. You don't have to give your name. You can just watch a video. But if you decide to get Kartra, you can get it for $1 and try it out and see what you think of it. But I highly recommend it. That's how we built most of our business over the past couple of years, is on Kartra. And I've tried all kinds of different email providers and landing pages and all this funnel stuff. It's all built in Kartra, all in one place, so you don't have to log into a whole lot of different places and make a whole lot of things work with each other. It's all there in one place. Highly recommend Kartra. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you got a lot of great ideas. If so, hit that like button below, and don't forget, join the Fisher family. Hit that subscribe button down there and the bell. Yeah, ring the bell. You got to click that notification bell and say turn on all notifications. Now if you've tried to build an email list, or you've already built an email list, I want to hear your comments below. What did you experience that worked, and what did you experience that didn't work? I really want to hear that below. I would really appreciate that. Now as I told you in the beginning of this video, I'm going to give you a free $97 e-commerce course, and it's below in the description. You can click that now, click and get it. It's really that simple. I also included a email marketing course, which is going to be very beneficial to you, 100% free. Just click in the description below and you can grab that too. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.